In life, there are moments that feel like doorways. Not physical doors, but moments separate one season from another, one chapter from the next, one era from what's coming after that. A doorway marks a transition in life. Once you step through it, things are never quite the same. And every doorway worth walking through requires careful preparation. Every door begins kind of this way. Before it ever opens, someone envisions it and measures it. Someone builds, someone levels. Someone works patiently and often unnoticed, making sure the doorway is ready. By the time that Angel Gabriel arrives in Nazareth, God's rescue plan has been unfolding the same way, mostly quietly, faithfully, and across generations. Promises have been spoken, prophecies have been given. The way is prepared. And then God chooses the vessel, the doorway. And again, it's not in a palace, it's not in a throne room, it's not in a place of power or prestige. God chooses Mary. Young, poor, unknown, from a place most people had never heard of. From the world's perspective, she has nothing impressive to offer, but heaven sees something different. Humility, trust, a heart that's willing to be shaped by God's hand. Gabriel says to her, "You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you shall call him Jesus." This statement isn't just miraculous, it's disruptive. Mary's plans change instantly. Her reputation will be questioned. Her future marriage becomes uncertain to Joseph. Saying yes to God will cost her something. Really, everything. And yet, Mary responds with one of the most powerful statements in all of Scripture. "I am the Lord's servant. May your word to me be fulfilled." Mary shows us that obedience doesn't require a full understanding. It requires a full trust. She doesn't see the cross yet. She doesn't know the pain ahead. She doesn't grasp the full weight of what she's accepting. But she knows the one who's calling her. And that's enough. God brings His glory into the world through humility. He chooses ordinary people, willing hearts, quiet obedience. The doorway to glory is rarely grand. It's often small, it's unnoticed, and it's faithfully prepared. And just like Mary, we are often asked to trust God with things we can't fully explain or predict or even control. We may not carry Christ the way that Mary did, but we are called to carry Him into the world through our obedience and our faith and our willingness to say yes to God. When humility opens the door, God steps in, and everything in our story changes.